as the first rays of sunlight painted the sky with golden hues. We embarked on an adventure that will forever be etched in our hearts. The Walk Adventures team was set for Kisumu, a city of lakeside beauty, rich culture and breathtaking landscapes.
Watu wangu, it's a very chilly morning in Nakuru today and we are headed to Kisumu. I'm with my fellow walk adventurers here and welcome to another episode of the Walk Adventures. Follow this journey to the end and see us going to Kit Mikayi, to Dunga Hill, to all those places that we want to explore today in Kisumu, the lakeside city. Karibuni sana. Tuendeni.
The road stretched before us, winding through the lush green tea plantations of Kericho, a sight so scenic that it felt like driving through a painting. Rolling hills, misty valleys, and the endless stretch of vibrant green. This was Kenya in its purest form.
Hey, baby, hey, toka kwa nyumba, usiep nani kupeleke disco. Baby, toka kwa nyumba, usiep nani kupeleke disco. Kaza.
After hours on the road, the city of Kisumu welcomed us with its warm embrace. Our first stop, Kit Mikayi, the legendary rock formation that carries whispers of history and folklore. Before heading there, we took a quick break near Kisumu International Airport to stretch and freshen up.
I'm also Joturua, so we have just landed in the hot lakeside city of Kisumu. Hot both in terms of vibes and the weather. And now, you remember in Kisumu you don't arrive, you land, whether you're using plane or using a vehicle. Now we want to go and explore Kit Mikayi. After Kit Mikayi, we go to Dunga Hill and so many other amazing places that you'll want to watch to the end. Karibuni sana tena and let us enjoy this video together.
Then, we finally arrived. Kit Mikayi stood before us, an awe-inspiring masterpiece of nature. Massive boulders stacked as though placed by the hands of giants. With our guide leading the way, we ascended the rocks, each step revealing breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me
Just when we thought the experience couldn't get any better, we were met with a group of traditional Luo dancers at the base of the rocks. Their rhythmic chants and vibrant moves were so infectious that we couldn't resist joining in. Dancing in a joyous circle, momentarily becoming the part of a culture that is so rich and alive.
Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight.
Before leaving, we supported the local artisans, purchasing hand-woven baskets as souvenirs of this magical place. And with that, we were off to our next destination.
Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Past Kisumu Golf Club, beyond the Coca-Cola bottling plant, lay Bingo Beach, an oasis of tranquility and beauty.
Here comes trouble, putting on a show. Like a domino, I fall. Another bottle, don't know what to say. Send me on my way to you. You're all that I want, but I don't even know your name. So don't go, leave me and die. So don't go, leave me lonely. I'll show you another way. So don't go, leave.
Moment we arrived, we were captivated. The sound of a live band playing in the background set the perfect mood as we sipped on soft drinks, soaking in the picturesque views of Lake Victoria.
Nimetafuta Baba, hakuna kama wewe, nafasi yote moyoni nimeshaipa kwa Yesu. Namba moja, nafasi yote moyoni nimeshaipa kwa Yesu. Namba moja, nishatembea, nishazunguka kila mahali.
Another way. And you say it's a one night thing, but I want something more than that.
But then came the real test, ziplining over the vast waters of the lake. The thought alone was nerve-wracking, but once we took that leap, the rush of adrenaline mixed with the stunning views made it an experience we'd never forget.
Here comes trouble, putting on a show. Like a domino, I fall. Another bottle, don't know what to say. Send me on my way to you. I know you're all that I want, but I don't even know your name. So don't go, leave me lonely. I'll show you another way. And you say it's a one night thing, so don't go, leave me lonely. I'll show you another way.
Let's zipline over Lake Victoria.
By the time we made it to Dunga Beach, the weather was beginning to change. It was time to feast, and what better meal than freshly caught tilapia?
Kioro, what's up, my nigga?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
We are very, very fine.
Hapa tuko pale naitwa
Hapa tuko wapi, Kioro?
Dunga Beach.
Tumekuja kufanya nini?
Tumekuja kula samaki kwa ugali.
Sawa sawa. Shwari.
Some of us opted for ugali, while others chose fries. Either way, it was bound to be delicious. But just as our excitement was at its peak, disaster struck. The winds picked up, howling through the air, and within moments, the sky opened up in a torrential downpour. Chairs flew, the waves crashed harder against the shore, and our plans for the evening, including a highly anticipated boat ride, were washed away. Faced with a tough decision, we chose to stay the night in Kisumu, determined to complete our adventure.
I always stop and wonder what would have happened if I stayed. 'Cause without you, it's like the ocean. I'm drowning in every single wave. Yeah, without you, I've got no focus. I'm fighting to just get through the day. And I keep falling. Deeper in every single wave. Yeah, I keep falling. Without you, there's no escape.
We found a cozy Airbnb in Milimani, where we gathered for a warm cup of tea and endless conversations. Laughter filled the room as we played poker, teasing and challenging each other until fatigue took over.
Hot beverage. You can have tutulia. Kuna chai imetengenezwa. Sikiza.
Si mnyamaze amalize. Mbona mumtaje kumpea time?
Kuna chai imetengenezwa na majani chai. Kuna chai inaweza tengenezwa na mint. Hata tusiongee kuhusu kahawa. Kuna chai imetengenezwa na lemongrass, si ndio? Tunaita aje? Hizo zote si bado ni tea, lakini inaitwa lemongrass tea. Hii nyingine inaitwa mint tea. Mimi yenye imetengenezwa na tulia. Yenye imetengenezwa na coffee. Sikiza, tea kwangu is the beverage.
But
so yenye imetengenezwa na kahawa.
Mbona
Nasema tulia ni malizi. Acha ni kudismiss. Mbona yenye imetengenezwa. Sikiza, mbona imetengenezwa?